Do you want to make talking avatar videos like this? Follow these steps. 1. Download Verbo app from Play Store. Two. Sign in any account you want. 3. Choose avatar of your choice from the givens. For give your script. Five. And select confirm on the right corner. Wait for a moment. Video is ready. You can also write script in different languages, like video, and comment your spellings. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.